On Saturday, April 27, 2024, MEMA hosted the third annual Community Emergency Response Team Rodeo. More than 100 participants from CERTs and other volunteer organizations from across the Commonwealth took part in the training at Quinsigamond Community College in Worcester.
CERT is our community emergency response teams, and these are volunteers from across the state who come together. They get training to do some basic emergency response, and they are a force multiplier for our police, fire, and communities all throughout the Commonwealth. And today we have over 100 volunteers who've come here to Quinsigamond Community College to network, to learn, and to overall celebrate all things CERT.
The event included a variety of workshops and seminars, from basic traffic control and management training to community point of distribution, access and functional needs workshops, and even some one-on-one time with MEMA Director Dawn Brantley. The goal was to help volunteers be better prepared and to help improve CERTs within their own communities. Norton Emergency Management Operations Officer Melanie Toll helps manage Norton's CERT. She was excited to come back to the CERT Rodeo to network and to learn. She says CERTs are critical to communities.
In Norton, we train people in CERT whether they're going to join our team or not. And so we have several hundred people that live in Norton who have had this training, the CERT training. So we know that we have a more resilient community because of that. People are ready to help themselves and help their immediate neighbors, and that helps to reduce the strain on our emergency services.
Toll says Norton's CERT is very active and has a great relationship with the town's public safety agencies.
We do firefighter rehab on scene, where there's large fires. We've had a couple of those this year. We're able to step in and do scene security to relieve the on-duty officers. If there's a detail there, they take care of security, but the on-duty officers already have a lot on their plate. So we'll do scene security at a fire or a large incident. We've done that a couple of times this year. We do community events. We draw thousands of people for our Halloween parade. And so we help with those. We also serve as traffic control, traffic management for voting.
Warren Emergency Management Director Jim McKeon, who leads the Warren West Brookfield CERT, also took part in the rodeo.
We came out to this event to learn some more scene safety, traffic control, just to keep up on the CERT skills that they're offering.
McKeon says he enjoys helping people and making a difference in the communities he serves. Over the past year, the Warren West Brookfield CERT has helped with a variety of public events.
Festivals, parades. We just recently done an Easter egg hunt. We help with security of it, traffic control, parking, and sometimes in emergency situations we help the police department, fire departments out with blocking of roads, dangerous situations.
And while CERTs play a key role in their respective communities, MEMA local coordinator Kevin Filchek says the relationship between MEMA and CERTs is also beneficial.
We work in disasters with everyone. And during disaster, we need as much help as we can get. And CERTs are an excellent way to increase our response capabilities, to help communities better prepare and to help communities recover after an event. And they're just one of those resources. It's a national program, and we're very fortunate to have a very active branch of it here in the Commonwealth.
But CERTs are only as good as the number of people who are willing to volunteer and serve their communities, which is why Toll, McKeon, and Filchek all encourage people to get involved.
We always need people to get involved. There's a place for everyone.
I love the community, and I love the opportunity to give back to the community. It's a way for me just to be supportive of the place that I live and the people who serve that community, the police, the fire departments, the veterans agent, the Council on Aging. We get to support all of those agencies that work so hard to serve our community.
Having these volunteers here who are dedicated and motivated to do this on a volunteer basis is huge. And for us to show that the state is dedicated to them, it's really important, and it's only going to continue to have a even more positive relationship as we move forward.
For MEMA, I'm Justin Schreier.